In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Revolut virtual card in shop. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up a virtual card so you can make payments in store or in shop, also known as contactless payments. First, by generating a new virtual card that you can do by switching over to the Cards tab, tapping Get Card and then Virtual Card, it is going to appear attached to your account ready to use. Make sure that it is not frozen after you select it from the cards list, and you will be able to properly set it up for future purchases. Now, for online purchases, all that you have to do is review the details, get the card number, CVV, and expiry date, and use those details to make purchases. But if you wish to make in-store or in-shop purchases, what you have to do is assign the virtual card to a digital wallet. So at the bottom, you will see the option to add the card to a digital wallet. If you are on an iOS device, you are going to see this option, the Apple Wallet, or if you are on an Android device, usually you are going to be defaulted to the Google Wallet. As long as you link the card to a digital wallet, like these wallets that I mentioned, you will be able to make in-store or in-shop transactions. So link the card to a wallet. After you tap this button, you will be redirected with all the details about the card automatically input into the wallet. And now, as long as your phone has NFC capabilities, you can place your phone near the card reader and finish any payments that you wish to make in-shop using the Revolut virtual card. This is all you have to do. Just make sure that NFC capabilities are enabled on your phone, the card is attributed to a digital wallet, and start making payments this way. It is extremely simple, and if you encounter any problems while trying to do this, make sure that Apple Pay or Google Pay is properly set up and the card is assigned as a payment method on a digital wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to use virtual card, Revolut, and shop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.